Good morning guys! Welcome back to our channel. It's Pilin Shimla. So guys, for today's video, we are now here in Dubai. So kahapon nga pala guys ako nag-travel and we are staying now in one of the hotel here. Since I'm spending time with my sister for 2 days and since Rishi also is off for 2 days, so we decided to just stay for 2 days here and we'll come back on when I landed. So last night yon, and then for till tomorrow we are here. So for today's video guys ay pupunta tayo sa magbe-breakfast lang kami. And baka pupunta tayo ng Fujairah. Then, ayun guys. Nagre-ready lang ako para tayo ay makagora na. So, ayan, get ready with me. Ayan, ito lang ang suot ko. Magti-t-shirt lang ako. Kasi, guys, it's so hot here in UAE also. So, that's what I'm decided to just wear shirt and jeans. Since it's very hot here. So, ayan. Tapos, wala akong masyadong dalang makeup. So, kasi nga, ano ba tatalhin natin? Ito lang siguro. Ano ba to? Ito lang pala ang dala ko. Ito. Glitter, I don't like glitter. There's one more that I brought with me. Update ko kayo mamaya ulit guys ha. Diyan muna kayo. So, yan guys. Alis na kami. Diyan muna kayo. Ready na ako. Ayun natin get up for today. Naka-sleeper lang ako. Kasi kami ay pupunta na po Fujairah. Tapos ayan. Dala ko yung aking mga, andito yung mga passport and all. Tapos ito lang yung bag ko. Ayan. Naka-jeans lang tayo, naka-t-shirt ng Levi's. Outfit check, Levi's jeans, Levi's shirt. Tapos, ayan, bigay na slipper ni ate. Tapos, eto bag. Kailangan ko dalhin yung mga documents ko kasi dito yung mga passport ko documents. Magpapalinis kami ng room. So, that's why I have to bring it. So, ayan. Simple lang naman tong room na to. Kaya, mamaya ko na lang kayo room tour, So, ayan. Yan lang tayo. Punta na tayo sa Fujairah. Papasya lang namin yung mag-ina. So, ayan. Diyan lang kayo. Chalohan, let's go. Diyan lang muna kayo. Bye-bye. Of course, I'm Filipina because when I'm going out and took a bath, my hair is still wet. Kanya kami mga Pilipina. We always took shower and then we never dry our hair. No time to dry. There's still actually dryer in the washroom but I couldn't able to dry because we might get late. So I'd rather, kasi since we are Filipino, we're like that. We go out with the wet hair. So ayan. Tuto tayo guys sa car park na. Ano ba yan? Kachinelos lang tayo. Ay, madulas. Slippery. Ayan. Ito ang aming sasakyan. Ito tayo sa ating parking. Dito ako sa unahan. It's my time to shine. Let me put the seatbelt. Yeah. Skin. Punta na kami kay ating accommodation to pick them up and we will have a little road trip for today's video guys. So We go to Fujairah, guys. Papasyal namin yung mag-ina. Since si ate ay naka-off tapos TLR siya. Talagang inano niya na mag-TLR siya. Nakuha na niya yung kanyang TLR. So that she use her TLR so that she can able to spend time with me. So ayan. Ang tigas ang aking pilik mata. Kaya ginaganyan ko. Nilalagyan ko na. Hindi na maganda yung aking car lash. Hindi na siya masyadong bibili ako ng bago. Kasi may bagong nakakaan. So, yun lang. Medyo kahit is the aircon open. Oh, it's very hot. So, yun ang aking gisama. So, ayan ang aming car. Ayan. Yung dalawa dyan sa likod.
We're here already.
Okay. Yes, we are going now.
Okay, we are coming in within
Hotel?
2 minutes.
You're in hotel?
Oh, yeah, we're already in the hotel.
At
Here.
the ticket, then we will go out now.
Ate, just come out because I will. No. Come down in the base because the exit is in the back side.
Which building? She's in the
The exit here.
She's in the
Which one?
hotel, our hotel outside.
You are
Huh?
outside our hotel
No, below. We are inside.
in the lobby.
Oh, in the lobby.
Oh, do you...
Then take the elevator and come down.
Why? You
No.
You cannot go in
Just
the
go out.
front.
Yeah, come come out.
Why you have to go to the elevator? Front.
I will go out in the road.
No, not... Yeah,
Yeah, come out.
yeah, go out.
Okay.
We are already...
I'll go out. We will go out in the road.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sige.
Okay. Salamin ka, salamin ko at mainit guys. Magsalamin tayo. Ayan. Init guys, kailangan. Mata ko kasi guys, hindi talaga pwedeng wala dahil pasensya na kayo kung nakikita nyo every time that I'm wearing sunglasses because my eyes is very weak in the sun. That's actually, and I should have also my eyeglasses actually. So, that's the reason why. It's not because being maarte. It's because in health issues, guys. You know naman my eyes is very weak in the sun. Kapag in the sun na guys, my eyes already closing. Kaya hindi ako pwede talaga without sunglasses. That's the reason. To make feel that I'm so maarte. Ayun na ng dalawang magina. Good morning. Brother, you have data, right?
Yes.
Yes. I can connect. Yeah, because the people too much. I know. No worries.
Okay, brother.
Good morning, Miss Athena, Victoria, Adap. Good morning, everyone.
Turn left onto Abu Bakr Al Siddiq Road, D78.
Abu Bakr.
Signs for Abu Hale,
Arte naman ng
Cornish.
ano namin, Google Map. Abu
Abu
Hale.
Yung ano, ganyan.
Nasa ba, andun sa akin din. That's why I want chill only.
Chill lang. Chill.
Only love, only positive.
Slight right to stay on Abu Bakr Al.
May ice cream oh. Big ice cream, Adi likes. Ang dami pang laruan. Kung nandito si Adi, he will say, I want this, I want this. Ay, Arabic na. It's like the girls we are buying always. May damitan pa siya. Oo, potato. हाँ
फ्रेश क्या क्या बनाते हो खाने में इसके अलावा खाने में मतलब ये तो सिर्फ स्नैक्स है ना कुछ और खाने में हाँ? डोसा डोसे में क्या डालोगे अंदर You want to taste that Arabic dosa? They put the chips and cheese and like that.
Guys, andito kami sa Arabic restaurant. So we're gonna try this one. It's Arabic. It's an Arabic food actually, guys. Wala pang masyad. Kakain kami mamaya nung iba pero I wanna try kasi this one. So that's why they brought.
It's very big in size in Abu Dhabi.
Others are big na. Depends.
Ano yan? Vine leaves?
Ayan daw. Arabic food yan, guys. Tingnan natin kung masarap. Kante, na-try mo na yan? Oo. Guys. Baka hindi magustuhan.
Bakit?
Hot.
Sour.
Sour? Sour.
Very nice. No, you must eat one full.
One.
Sour?
Eat one full.
Nice.
Eat one full, huh?
Nice, no?
Hot.
Rishi, lahat tayo maasim.
Very good. Auto.
1, 2, 3. One more. Aywa. Maasim nga yun. Nice. Sour? Yeah, it's like that because of the Athena sour.
Okay, yung leaf yung sour, pero yung rice okay.
Yeah. Lips. Ano ba yung gamit na lips nila? Wine. Wine lips? Wine. Wine. Asim? Vine. 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 Asim?
Vine.
There's may calamansi pa. Kaya pala maasim.
No, don't break. You should eat like that.
No, I cannot too much sour na. Very nice.
What did you do? And you will just eat the rice like that. Ate, you want one more?
Yeah.
One plate more?
No.
Then we can eat something else.
Oh, there in the other side. Let's go to the other side. The one that we, we occupied. Eh, bay, ubusin mo na puti, oh. Galing ka naman dyan, oh. Rice siya, tapos maasim, guys. Sa ibang restaurant naman kami. Ito talagang maasim.
Maasim masarap.
I don't know why. Maybe because it just came.
Yung tabi-tabi lang kami kumain, kaya ayan. Ito, tapos ito. Sarap. Tapos meron kami.
But it's okay.
Picture.
If it is new cook, it is not crunchy. But after 5 minutes, eat and it will be crunchy.
Maybe if you are sitting inside the room.
She's park, guys. We're in She's park.
It's a Sharjah still or Fujairah? Sharjah.
Sharjah. Sharjah daw. Sharjah.
This is still a Sharjah.
Ayun guys, meron din siyang waterfalls. She's park. She's park. Ayan. Vlog.
Tayo. Ladies prayer hall. Men prayer hall.
Kampod pala yung prayer mo ng lalaki babae.
These are artificial waterfalls.
Waterfalls. Let's go out. And
That's why everyone...
guys, ang ganda. Kahit artificial siya, maganda, diba? Pagka sa ganitong disyerto, nakita ka, maganda pa rin. Oh, pak, ang ganda. Oh. Paano tayo magpa-picture niyan? Karate. Ito yung dates, guys. O, pag nahinog, ayan yung puno ng dates. O. Yan. This is the dates, guys, kapag hilaw. When it's not ripe yet, this is the grapes. Athena, this is the grapes. Yes. Ay, grapes? Dates. What I'm saying. This is the tree of dates. Yan. Pag nahinog yan, yun na yan. Diba? Ayan, guys. Aesthetic. Let's go inside the park and enjoy the scenery of it.
Yes. Richie don't want even. Init nga naman kasi. Ang ganda lang ito pagka yung malamig. Guys, walang tao ang park. Ayun, oh, kami-kami lang. Ayan. May dalawa lang couple. Isang couple doon. Ayun. Tapos ayan kasi ang loob ng She's Park, guys. Yung makakapaglaro ang mga bata. May swing. May mga you can sit. Do the barbecue. And slide. Tapos pwede ka umakyat dun sa hagdan na yun. Papunta doon sa taas na yan. Yan. Pwede ka doon makarating. Kaya lang init-init. Dati may tubig pa dito eh. Ate, before there's a water here. Where is it? Water before na. Ah, ito yata yun. Dito dati may tubig. Oo, ito. Wala na. Na-dry na siya. Ito dati may tubig to eh. Nagpo-flow yung tubig dito. Ngayon wala na. Mainit guys. Balik na kalalaga kami. Ayan lang. Pinakita lang namin sa inyo. At ipinasya lang namin si Athena dito. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba? Pero walang tao nga kasi araw. Sa gabi pa yan magkakatao. 5 dirham ang ano mo dito eh. Bayad. There's a basket. I want to have ice cream. Yeah, also.
Since when you started eating ice cream, before you never eating?
Yeah. No, sometimes okay. When I feel like, okay, let's do ice cream. Sure. Corniche of Fujairah.
Still not yet Fujairah, my God. This is still Sharjah. But yeah, they are saying it's Fujairah because they are close to each other. Wales. For sure, the owner of that is that guy is our president of UAE. In all, we are having 7 Emirates, and Dubai is one among of them. The country named United Arab Emirates, and that you see is the president of the whole Emirates, while the president of Dubai is Maktoum. What is the name?
Al Maktoum.
No, there's a name. Muhammad Al Maktoum. I don't know what is the name. Our president. Muhammad, oh my God, he will kill me. He said, Clarence, you don't know me? You're already 18 years here. Is that yet? You don't know me?
How many years?
Gosh.
18? 2 decades ka na pala, malapit na.
Oh my gosh. Mahmoud!
Mahmoud. Muhammad Al Maktoum.
Ate, Muhammad bin Rashid Al Maktoum.
Yo, Muhammad bin Rashid Al Maktoum.
Muhammad Rashid.
Bin Rashid.
Bin Rashid.
Bin means his father.
Oo, bin Rashid
Al Maktoum.
Al Maktoum. So the one passed away is
Ayan guys, ang Corfacan Beach. Pag nandito si Adi, dito siya naglalaro. Tapos ayan ang Starbucks. Pupunta tayo ng Starbucks para umupo at magpalamig. Kasi hindi talaga kakayanin powers mo dito sa labas. Ayan. Ayan guys, ang ganda. Sa gabi puno ito. Ngayon walang tao-tao. Walang tao-tao dito. Dito tayo. Oh Lord. Full nga eh. Tapos ipupush mo. Ah, sarap. Arabic are here. Hello. Let's wait. Parang sarap ito. Parang ganito yung ano. Cheese ha. This one? Ano ka masarap? Ate, ano naman masarap dito? Para gusto ko magkape pero ang lamig naman. Parang ang ice ka. Ganun na nga yun. Ayan guys. Ang ganda ng kanilang mga. Ayan guys. Parang sarap bumili ah. Kano kaya ito? 115 guys. Kapihan. May ganito ako eh. Oh. Mura lang to. 10 nga lang to eh. Oh. Ano ang ganda. Ito kaya 45. Gusto kong bumili. Pang kapihan. Ay parang ang laki oh. 63 lang pala rin. Mura na lang. Kapag ano, malapit na magawa yung bahay ko. Yung floor ko, magpapabila kay daddy. 70. Tubigan ang laki-laki. Okay sana kay adi kasi ang laki. Derek. Ito pa. Ah.
Frappuccino, frappuccino. Like
Coffee
that.
frappuccino, only coffee.
Coffee frappuccino.
Size, please.
Medium also. That's it.
That's I already ordered, right?
For him is water only.
For ma'am, coffee nut, medium size.
Yeah.
Ice or hot?
Ice also. Ice.
Medium coffee, yeah?
Gusto mo, Athena? Maganda siya.
All coffee medium, right?
For her it's big, yeah?
Yeah, big size, but the coffee medium. Drink, brother.
Oh, 30.
So, coffee frappuccino, what's your name, ma'am?
CLA.
CLA.
Skittles. Truck also. You also want Thomas Train, the small one.
You eat properly. Say you eat properly, then I will bring you to mama.
If you will sleep with Daduji, Dadiji, you will listen to them, you will do your homework, then I will buy, okay?
You eat properly.
Hmm.
Yan guys, ang labas na Starbucks. Iihi muna tayo. Kasi iihi na ako doon ng CRO. Ang ganda ng CR dito. Should try this. Push. Pabalik na kami guys. Pa-Dubai na ulit kami. Yan guys, oh, pinasyal ko na kayo. Ayan ha. Fujairah Corniche yan. Pauwi na tayo at napakainit guys. Balik tayo. Hindi na rin kami nakapag lunch guys kasi napaka heavy nung aming mga kinain kanina na wrap. So nag Starbucks lang kami. We drink Starbucks, cold one first. Tapos ngayon itong dala ko, hot naman yan. Oh, naka-hot beverage naman tayo. Dahil inaantok na ako, sabi ko magkakape naman tayo. So init talaga kanina, kaya nag-cold muna kami. Tapos now hot naman. Ayan. Let's see guys. Uwi na tayo. So update ko na lang kayo ulit mamaya. Malaglag na yun sa lamig ko. Yun na init. Medyo init. Ang galing guys, oh parang nasa post lang siya. Nasa postcard, ayan, parang postcard lang siya. Ayan guys, so ayan, diba? Oh, parang yung mga buildings, yung Burj Khalifa parang nasa postcard. We're heading to Emirates. How is it? Emirates.
Mall of Emirates.
All of the Emirates. I'm gonna pick Binut there. Yeah. So this is our driver. my husband driver. My husband, handsome husband driver. Guys, andito kami sa Mall of Emirates. Pumasok na rin kami kasi punta kami sa CR. Ang lamig din ng, diba? Itong lamig.
Just remember home center.
Ate, ano nga yung masarap? The one we eat na, you said I never eat that bread, the one you like. What is that?
I eat that
What is it?
2 times more papa roti.
Paparote ate, nagustuhan ni Rishi. Oh. Did you check that before?
Toilet first.
Chalo.
Oh, this one, baby.
How come here? Ah, yeah, this one. Daming tao, guys. Dami din pala tao dito sa Mall of Emirates. Hello. Where's the washroom, Han? Ay, ito pala kami sa kabila. Sunod tayo ng sunod kay Richie.